And then we took another leader as well in the apparel industry, which is Zara. Zara is known for their fast, cheap, modern fashion and modern designs. And to do so, they have also designed their supply chain accordingly. So usually, an apparel retailer will design a season being winter, summer, autumn, and spring, right? And he will have to design the season like 3 or 4 months before the season start, so the design can be approved and then go to the manufacturing. And the manufacturing will be another supplier, and usually those suppliers will be in areas where the labor or the labor cost is low, and then it will take its time, and then it will be delivered also to the stores of this retailer. Zara is doing it a little bit differently. So as we see here, this good chart from CBI Insights. Day one, the designer in Spain stitches a new piece of clothing with input from store managers on the latest trends. So they have communication tools between the store managers and the designers, so the designers can cope quickly of which items are hyped and which items are selling good inside the stores, which items are not, which new trial is not trending, and which one we should discontinue. And then day 2 to 5, a pattern maker creates a prototype of the new designs. And the good thing is that they see, because they have eyes on the customer, what the customer like, they can quickly satisfy or serve the customer what he wants in terms of design. So a pattern maker creates a prototype, and then day 6 to 21, fabric is cut, 8,000 new pieces are sewn together at nearby by factory and then are made ready for shipment. Notice that all of this is inside Spain. So this enables quick replenishment, quick design, quick manufacturing, all of this. And then day 25, new items arrive in Manhattan, are put on display before opening. So this is from Spain to Manhattan. Day 21 to 24, a paler is driven to a distribution center before heading to Barcelona to be flown to Zara stores around the world. So you can see it's air flights, quick replenishment, quick design, and the designs, I think they make 2 new collections every week, and this is like 104 collections in a year. This is different than the normal pattern of 4 collections in a year. So Zara is owned, of course, by Inditex, and they have other brands as well, but they are a leader in this business model. No one was implementing it before them, and by this business model, they conquered the fashion retail, especially the fast fashion retail or the everyday wear apparel industry, right? And we have here 2 quotes according to Inditex chief Jose Maria Castellino. Fashion expires much the same way yogurt does. Being so quick allows us to reduce to a minimum the risk of making a mistake, because if they are making only 8,000 pieces, that means that they are not making a mistake, because the visitors of Zara are a lot, right? 8,000 pieces. If it's bad, it can be quickly compensated by another better design. And we do make mistakes with our collections. With this in mind, the designers at Zara work hard to constantly update, mix and match popular styles, rather than simply flooding the market with a single item, which was a very innovative strategy at the time, with no product available for more than 4 weeks. So the products finish inside the stores before 4 weeks. Bear in mind that also this creates exclusivity for the customer of Zara, because when the customer goes to the store, he knows, if he's a frequent Zara customer, he knows that this item will not be available after some time. So this will trigger him to buy this item if he likes it. While for other stores, for example, if they are seasonal in nature, I know that this item will be there for the next 3 months, so I will not be triggered so much to buy it now as the case in Zara. Whereas most retailers have already committed to 60% of their production at the start of the season. At Zara, the figure is only 15%. This makes it easier for them to drop a range that turns out to be unpopular. So they are very quick, very responsive to the market, and this is also enabled by the supply chain because everything is in one place or near. So maybe the suppliers are also in Europe and near Spain. They can quickly replenish, send the textiles, send the material to the factories, and then ship by air. And they even have a very modern warehouse and distribution center where the collection is tagged. So they put labels on the dresses or on the apparel there in the warehouse instead of wasting time in the store. They fold the merchandise instead of doing this inside the store. They even arrange the assortment in the warehouse instead of doing this in the store. Also, in addition to that, the stores are designed by the designers of Zara and they are owned by Zara, and this enables also more control on the supply chain. If they control the whole supply chain or 70% of the supply chain, they can assure quick replenishment to the stores.